Demand forecasting is crucial for businesses to manage inventory effectively, enhance customer satisfaction, and reduce operational costs. By predicting future product demand, businesses can keep inventory levels optimized, avoiding both stockouts and overstocking, which can significantly impact profits. Accurate forecasting can lead to cost savings and improved decision-making, making it an essential practice for companies today. Demand forecasting involves analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer behavior patterns to predict future demand. It helps businesses plan production, procurement, and distribution processes, ensuring that products are available when customers need them. Accurate forecasting can reduce inventory costs by 5% and boost revenue by 2 to 3%, ultimately improving pre-tax profits by up to 3%. These benefits show why demand forecasting is indispensable for businesses seeking a competitive edge. There are two primary types of demand forecasting: short-term, under 12 months, and long-term, over 12 months. Short-term forecasting focuses on daily operations, inventory levels, and seasonal fluctuations, while long-term forecasting helps businesses plan for future growth, new products, and major investments. Both are vital for a comprehensive strategic plan. The distinction between demand forecasting and demand prediction is important. Forecasting uses historical data to predict future sales patterns, while prediction uses those forecasts to inform operational decisions. While forecasting addresses what and how much, prediction focuses on broader demand trends and is often used for operational planning. Accurate demand forecasting offers numerous benefits, including efficient inventory management, better supplier communication, improved customer satisfaction, and smarter financial planning. It also helps streamline supply chain operations and reduce waste, which has environmental advantages. For instance, medical supplies, which account for a significant portion of patient care costs, benefit greatly from precise forecasting, helping to reduce excess inventory and cut costs. Businesses employ various demand forecasting techniques based on their specific needs and available data. Quantitative methods, such as time series analysis, moving averages, and regression analysis, rely on historical data to predict future demand. For example, time series forecasting uses past sales data to identify trends and patterns, while moving averages smooth out short-term fluctuations to reveal long-term trends. Regression analysis helps understand the relationship between demand and external factors like price changes or marketing efforts. Qualitative methods, such as expert opinions and market research, are useful when historical data is limited. The Delphi method, for example, gathers expert forecasts in multiple rounds to refine predictions. Salesforce composite forecasting involves leveraging salespeople's knowledge to predict demand based on their understanding of customer preferences and market conditions. A successful demand forecasting process follows a step-by-step approach: defining objectives, collecting and cleaning historical data, choosing the appropriate forecasting model, analyzing results, making decisions, and iterating over time to refine predictions. Regular monitoring of forecast accuracy helps improve future predictions and adapt to market changes. External factors, such as seasonality, economic conditions, and consumer behavior, also influence forecast accuracy. Understanding product life cycles, market trends, and competition is essential for adjusting forecasts to meet evolving demand patterns. Companies that leverage demand forecasting effectively can optimize inventory, cut costs, and enhance customer satisfaction, securing a competitive advantage in the market.